Hello everyone. In today's video, we are trying to create a web page with a full screen video running in background. So let me show you the mockup which we are trying to achieve. Okay, so this is the mockup. Here we have some offer by some travel company for a limited time, and instead of this big nicer beach image we want a video. So let me show you video as well. Okay, so instead of image I want to run this video in the background. Now before creating this, let's see what Elementor is offering with video widget. Okay, so now we are in the page with editing mode. So if you go into the element list, go to basic, you will find video element. So you simply drag and drop the element. While selecting it, the element, you will find its related options. Now first option here you have source. So by source you need to define where you want to where you have uploaded your video. So for embedding video you have this four option: YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, WordPress. Now whatever your video source is, its related video option will be changed. So suppose here by default it is YouTube, you will find option related to YouTube videos. If you select Vimeo, it will be changed. If you select Dailymotion, it will be changed. Now you will also get another option, self-hosted. So with this option you can also upload a video file on your website on your own server. So but generally it affects the speed of the website, so it's better you go with the another embedding platform. So for now let's go with the YouTube. Okay, so here you select the platform, you place the link of the video. Next is the start time and end time. So suppose your content demands and you want to show with that content, you want to show particular clip of the video. So you can also define that start and end time. But for now we don't need it. Now our video is on a YouTube. So YouTube related option here. So first is the autoplay. It will start playing video. Next is a mute. You can mute the video loop. You can continuously play the video. Player controls, by default it shows. You can hide that. Now with player controls you will find more option related to YouTube platform, like modest branding. So it is related to YouTube logo branding. Then captions, you want to show transcripts of video or not. Then comes privacy mode. So if someone interacts video on your website but you don't want that platform track users data, so you keep this option on. So these are related to this platform only. Next is a lazy load. So most probably you need to keep it on, because with lazy load it improves website speed. So it's better to keep it on all the time. Again, these are related to this platform only. So this is how this video works. Now below the video you will find image overlay. Now image overlay, suppose you don't want to show video by default, you want to add some graphics, so you can do that with this option. So in image overlay I'm keeping it on. Here I am choosing my image. Okay, so I have designed my own custom button. So I don't want default play button from the widget. So I can hide it from here, and you can also select another icon design from library as well. Now if I click the image, it will start playing video. But if I want to open this video in another pop-up window, then you keep this option on. With lightbox on, when you click on the image, it will open your video in a pop-up. Okay, so this is it for a video widget. Now let's achieve our mockup. Now let me quickly add this overlay content. So later on we can play video in background. So I'm quickly adding to column layout. I have uploaded all images to speed up work. You can work as you need. Okay, now in this container we have more of white tint, so I'm adding some temporary background color. Okay, so on right column we are adding offer image. Okay, so this is something we are saying. Now in mockup we also have some limited time offer. So for this section, let me show you another widget which is very quick and very easy, offered by Elementor. So if you open this general tab, you will find here alert widget. So you are kind of alerting user that this offer is for limited time. Now let's see its sub option. So I'm selecting the element. I'm adding some spacing as well. Okay, so uh, we don't have any title. We just adding some content here. Now to apply of specific font color, etc., you can work around with CSS. Now dismiss icon. With dismiss icon, you can hide that alert, but we don't want to hide that, so we are not even showing the dismiss icon. Let me refresh it so it shows again. Now another option you can explore what kind of alert box you want. So you quickly send a notification you want to show on top of your website, or in the bottom you want to highlight some message to your audience for short period, then you can use this widget. So you will find your info, then success, then warning and danger. Now whatever you select, you always find it styling from here. So let me do some styling it. You can change the left bar width as well. Title, we are not using this traditional alert, we have just description. So okay, so to show this widget, I have kept it separate from this right column image, but right now we are not seeing that. We are more focused on full screen background. we have placed our content. Now let me add some alignment. So in this column, I want content to be centered as well as on this content. Okay, so now the main container, if you see, our text and details are here. Now in our main container, we are playing that video. So I'm selecting that container and I'm going into the style uh, where we have added temporary color. Now if you go here, you will find here video option. So I'm selecting that and I am placing the video link here. I have already uploaded video on YouTube. So this is the link of that video. Color now we don't want. Okay, so by default it is playing. Now let's see another option. We are okay with this. Play on mobile, yes. Privacy mode on, yes. Now here you will find background fallback. Now this is a necessary option to set. The reason is sometimes video is not loading. Suppose you have hosted video on Dailymotion or Vimeo and some server facing some issue and your video is not loading. So instead of video, you can show us your background fallback. So here I am choosing a image. Okay, so whenever this video is not loading, video screenshot you can say will load. Now next is a background overlay. So here I am adding some color. Okay, opacity is fine with me, 0.5. Let's see the preview. This is what we have achieved. Now I want to show this video full screen. So we want to stretch this video as per our viewport, as per user's device viewport. So similar to Pixel, you will find another unit, VH. So with VH, you can measure device viewport. So suppose if I say 50 VH, it means 50% of the viewport. Suppose you say 25 VH. So with 25 VH, you are targeting 25% of the viewport or screen height. So let me set the screen height to 100 because we want to target 100% of the screen. So I am going to containers setting and here you will find minimum height. So here I am changing it to VH and we want it 100. So I am refreshing the page now. Yes, so now we have our full screen running background web page is ready. Let's see in different sizes. Okay, so it also works fine with mobile view. So this is it for today. Thank you.